Hey guys! Okay, so in chapter 15, I gathered that there are 4 types of informative speeches, which are speeches about concepts, speeches about processes, events, and objects. We as humans are always curious, so we for sure like to be informed about things, and sometimes sometimes to our surprise, our mind is blown in the process of learning things. The thing to always remember about these speeches is to always assume your audience knows nothing about what you're talking about. So that way you are very detailed in your speech and you're letting them know everything, which always helps. Just because there's always that one person that may not know anything about what you're talking about. In chapter 5, it talks about, of course, choosing a topic to talk about to inform your audience on. Naturally, we want to make sure our audience gets something out of what we talk to them about or what we're informing them about. But also, it's to persuade them to see your point of view. You want to be clear on what you're talking about or what you're informing to them. Then in chapter 6, we learn that the best speaker focuses on their audience the most. For example, a good speaker thinks about, well, if I'm sitting in this audience and the person is giving this speech that I'm going to give, how does it pertain to me? Like, how is it supposed to help me? How am I supposed to get something out of it? You would ask yourself these questions, or like if you want to be a good speaker, you ask yourself these questions kind of like you would be in the other seat hearing the speech that you would give originally. Once you answer that, then you can get a better feel of how your speech will go and how people will in return maybe get something out of it and how you'll help inform them on it. Along with that, you can also engage with the audience and ask them questions and see what they respond back, or they ask you questions and you help them with answers. Maybe something y'all could both learn out of the experience. And that is what I gathered from the chapters, and that's it. Thanks.